आज लेके चल रही हूँ एक एक्सक्लूसिव प्लेस में वेयर द हिस्ट्री मीट्स द प्रेजेंट इन द मोस्ट एक्साइटिंग वे। ये एक ऐसी जगह है जहाँ आप इंटरैक्ट कर सकते हो यहाँ के एग्जिबिट्स के साथ और एक इमर्सिव एक्सपीरियंस भी ले सकते हो। हिस्ट्री और प्रेजेंट के साथ ये जगह काफ़ी फ्यूचरिस्टिक है और जहाँ आके फ्यूचर में पहुँच गए ऐसा लगता है। Welcome to episode 2 of Unique Things to Do in Mumbai, and today we are exploring the Museum of Living History by Mahindra in Mumbai. Located in the posh locality of Worli, the Museum of Living History is inside the Mahindra Towers. The entrance of the museum is grand. Walking through it really feels like entering the futuristic world, and it indeed is. हर जगह इंस्टॉलेशंस है और ऑब्जेक्ट्स डिस्प्ले में किए गए हैं। चलिए शुरू करते हैं इन द फर्स्ट स्पेस। करते ही एक बड़ा सा प्रोजेक्टर स्क्रीन है जहाँ पे महिंद्रा का स्टोरी लाइन से शुरू होता है, इन विच अ सीड फॉर्म्स अ लार्ज banyan tree that is so strong as the principles of the company. स्क्रीन के बगल में कुछ इंस्टॉलेशंस रखे गए हैं that you can touch, feel and also explore. And what makes this interesting is that there is a story attached to each object that you can read here and get to know the company's core value even more. कुछ हिस्टोरिक पर्सनल ऑब्जेक्ट्स के साथ फ्यूचर के बारे में भी कुछ सैम्पल ऑब्जेक्ट्स डिस्प्ले रखे गए हैं। The museum is vibrant and the vision of the company is clearly portrayed here in form of art which is specially commissioned by artists and designers. एक साइड पे है ऑब्जेक्ट्स एंड इंस्टॉलेशंस और दूसरी साइड पे है अनेक स्क्रीन्स। ये स्क्रीन्स में you can watch the storyline of Mahindra from how it began, the progress, the different businesses, the idea and also the present state and the future aspects of the company. It is really very inspiring to see Mahindra as a company's journey from starting as a small scale company to growing into successful empire that it is today. This portion also offers a unique educational and motivational experience to getting to know the company up close. आगे बढ़ते ही हमें कई सारे इंटरैक्टिव ऑब्जेक्ट्स और कस्टम इंस्टॉलेशंस मिलते हैं, अगेन कमीशन बाय स्किल्ड एंड फेमस आर्टिस्ट एंड डिजाइनर्स। सभी के पीछे एक कहानी है जिसे जान सकते हैं, एक्सपीरियंस किया जा सकता है और इंटरैक्टिव। Next up, there are these unique screens. जो नॉर्मल इंस्टॉलेशंस वाले बॉक्स लगते हैं, but there are touch screens where you can read and learn more about the ideas of the company. You can really take in your time and know more. You can really fuel your passion from the innovative ideas and interactive thinking shared here. Here I also got to ride the Mahindra vehicle and to be honest, ये मेरा favorite moment था. To be seated in the original vehicle and drive like the experts was so much fun. With 3 screens and a powerful headphone, it gave all the feels of driving the real vehicle. Car installation which was so cool. Made out of glass placed beside the mirror, it felt like there were 2 whole car when there was just half a car, and it's an optical illusion and the installation was so amazing. Lastly, we were given a little introduction about the sunken amphitheatre, where one can book and host events, but in our case, we were introduced to the dramatic ceiling, felt like I'm in some superhero movie. It was so awesome to witness, and the engineering here is top notch. The 4,000 square feet gallery is really a living museum with so much to learn, explore, and feel, and it is truly a tribute to Mahindra. There is no entry ticket to come to this place, and it's absolutely free of cost. However, there needs to be made an online reservation well in advance from the official website, as there are limited slots that gets filled up real quick. I had to book my slot almost 2 weeks in advance to get my desired time slot and date. I hope you found this video helpful and discovered a unique place in Mumbai that you can plan to visit soon. Stay tuned for the next episode of Unique Things to Do in Mumbai. Till then, if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. This is me, Grishma, signing off until I meet you again in a new place in a new city. Bye bye.